Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Labii as task management. Task management is the process of monitoring your project's tasks, through their various stages from start to finish. Labii's task management is designed to increase work efficiency by providing a centralized platform for organizing and tracking tasks. In order to get started, you will need to install Project Management, or add a table with tasks template. Just like with all other Labii records, you can add a new task from the side menu or from the task list view. You can also add a new task from the task dashboard. In the Tasks Dashboard tab, click Add Task button to add a new task. Select a project and type the task name. Select Start Date, Start Time, End Date, and End Time. Choose one or many assignees. Type the number of hours required to complete the task. Choose the frequency of the task. You can choose once, daily, weekly, monthly, annually. Default to once. The task can also be associated with a customer account if you are using Labii CRM. Click Submit button to submit. Once submitted, you will be redirected back to the task dashboard page. In default, the dashboard only displays the started but incompleted tasks. In case you need to display other tasks on the dashboard, you can make use of the Edit button to select a different filter. To complete a task, click the cycle next to it. Light green background indicates that the task has been completed. If you have recurring or routine tasks, the system will update the date to a future date automatically. Click the Add Subtask icon at the end of each task to add a new subtask. That's it for the task management. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup, to try it out yourself.